machines you build to sit down and pay his taxes. A man uses the machines I build to listen to the Beatles while he relaxes.
Well, Steve, you steal all the credit for work that other people do. Did your fat beard Wozniak write these raps for you too?
Ooh, everybody knows Windows bit off Apple.
I triple the profits on a PC.
All the people with the power to create use an Apple.
And people with jobs use PC.
You know, I bet they made this beat on an Apple.
Nope, Fruity Loops, PC.
You will never, ever catch a virus on an Apple.
Well, you can still afford a doctor if you bought a PC.
Hey, Ron. Hey, Billy. That hurt.
Now I had the time of my life. I owe it all to you.
Right.
I got a list of names and yours is in red underlined. I check it once, then I check it twice.
Oh, fuck. I can't believe you've done this. I can't believe you've done this.
I sneezed. Oh, I'm not allowed to sneeze.
Oh, fuck. I can't believe you've done this. I can't believe you've done this.
I sneezed. Oh, I'm not allowed to sneeze.
When we refer to someone as yellow, we consider them to be what?
Chinese?
Not Chinese. Over to Jerry and Murray now. Yes, Jerry.
Cowardly.
Cowardly is correct. Daddy's over.
You're a wizard, Harry.
I'm a what?
A wizard.
If these cheap Kmart earrings are the best you can do this Christmas, then you can just follow them out the f***ing door.
I might hit Jack.
Throw me.
Bob, throw me!
Ich befürchte, das Universum wurde nicht von Gott erschaffen, sondern von Chaos und Schmerz.
Der Zoo ist eine Metapher. Das echte Gefängnis ist in deinem Kopf.
Nur der Tod kann uns wirklich befreien. Es wird Zeit, deine Pinguin-Vorväter in Valhalla zu treffen. Kowalski, bereite den Mördereimer vor.
Ich komme, mein Führer!
Rico ist tot. Was haben wir gelernt?
Dass der Tod wie das Leben ein sinnloser Walzer ist, getanzt von Narren.
Lass uns Rico loswerden. Gott ist tot.
Das ist alles, Leute! Quick! Get out! Get out of here!